Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yewande Oshogbiye, and also in this video we're going to be doing a full makeup tutorial. Watch me as I do this. Okay, in this video I'm going to be trying a new product from the company called Oriflame, Oriflame. They're from Sweden, and I bought their foundation. I bought the newly launched powder, Oncolour powder, Oncolour lipstick, and I also bought their mattifying face cream, and I'm going to be trying all that in this video. But before that, I have done my eyebrow. If you want to see the video on how to do your eyebrow, I have a full detailed video on how to draw a perfect, nice, clean cheek eyebrow. And also I have other makeup videos. I'll tag them up here. You can view them for subtle makeup, beginner friendly, and easy to go, well detailed. So right now in this video I'm going to be dropping all the colors that I'll be using by the side, so you know the color I'm going in with. But I'm doing a cut crease makeup in this video, a cut crease eyeshadow, and I'm using that color yellow. Yeah, I don't know, I love been trying to do something pop. I actually love colors. I love colors, but I've just been so calm and cool. But today I'm going wild. So I'm just gonna be using color yellow, and I'm going to be cooling it down with kind of like brown. So enjoy this video with me, and let's see how the foundation and powder with the lipstick from Oriflame is going to go out. The reason why I contoured this part of my hair to give it a very good airline shape, and also why I did this was because to reduce my chin. I don't want a double chin, so it's good to contour this part of your chin.